In this video, we'll be solving another SQL problem from LeetCode. The problem is called human traffic of stadium, and it is a hard problem. So we are given a table stadium, and in that we have a column name. We have the following columns: ID, visit date, and people. So we have to write a solution to display the records with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100 for each. Okay, so this is the input table, stadium table. We are given ID, visit date, and people, and the output is 5, 6, 7, 8 IDs. So as you can see here, these are consecutive IDs from 1 to 8, and this is the number of people column. So the question says we have to write a solution to display the records with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100. So if we look at first record, the number of people is less than 10, less than 100. So this will not come in the output. For this, the number of people is 109. So this qualifies. This one is one greater than 100. This is 150. So this again qualifies. But if you look at 4, this is less than 100, and that's why it does not qualify. So we just got 2 consecutive rows for which the number of people is greater than or equal to 100. But in the output, we need 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs. So here we just got 2 and 3. Now let's move ahead. Let's take a look at ID 5. So it is greater than 100, qualifies. ID 6 greater than 100, qualifies. Third row 199 qualifies. 8th has 188 people, and it also qualifies. So here we got 4 consecutive IDs, 5, 6, 7, 8, for which the number of people is greater than or equal to 100, and that's why 5, 6, 7, 8, these 4 rows are coming in the output. So let's try to solve this question. So I'll try to break down the solution in multiple steps so that it's easier for you to understand. So first of all, let's do a select star from stadium. So first of all, we will filter out all the rows for which the number of people is less than 100. So we'll select only those records where people is greater than equal to 100. Now let's run this. So as you can see, we just only got those records for which the people count is greater than 100. So now, as you can see here, this is 2, 3, then 4 is not there, then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the next step would be to create ranking, to create row number for this table. So let's put this into a temp table. Let's call it T1. Now let's do a select star comma row number over order by ID, and we'll call this as RN from T1. So let's create the ranks, or you can say row numbers. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are consecutive, right? So now there is a trick here. So what we will do is, as you can see, the difference between 2 and 1. What is the difference? This is 1. What is the difference here? 3 and 2. We are getting 1. What is the difference here? 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Right? So this is one group for which the difference is 1, and this is another group for which the difference is 2. So let's do that. Let's put this into another table, comma T2, as I can do that here as well, but let's not complicate that. So let's do select star comma id minus rn, and we will call this as group from T2. Let's run this. So as you can see here, we got one. We got actually two groups. 1 this belongs to this group, and this belongs to the second group. These 4 rows belongs to second group. So let's call this T3. Now what we will do is, first of all, we'll have to figure out those groups which are coming equal to or greater than 3. As you can see, if we take the count of this, if we do a group by, let's suppose if we do a group by on this column group and take the count, so this will come out to be 2, and this will come out to be 4, right? And 4 is greater than equal to 3, so we'll pick this group. So we want this group. We want all those records for which group is 2, and this will be filtered out. So let me write that. So what I'm saying is, let's do a select group comma count star from T3, and we'll do a group by on group, and we'll do a having count greater than equal to 3. Let's run this. So as I told you, only group 2 will come. So we are interested in this group. So we will, from this table, T3 table, we will select only those rows for which group falls under 2 or in this column. So what I'm saying is, let's remove this. Let's do a select star from T3 where group in, so the output of this is 2. So where group in 2. Let's run this. So we got all those 4 rows, right? Now instead of selecting all, what we will do is we'll just do select id, visit date, and people. Let's run this, and it is accepted. So it was a good problem. So let me just reiterate. First of all, in the first step, we just filtered only those records for which the number of count in the people column is greater than equal to 100. So this is the first step. After that, the trick is to calculate the row number. And after that, the third part is you have to take the difference between the ID and the row number so that we could identify which records, which rows fall under the same group. That is, which are not consecutive and which are consecutive. So as you can see previously, 5, 6, 7, 8 got the group as 2. So that means, and this row also got the group 2. This one also got 2. All these 4 records got the group 2, and that's why we can say that these belongs to the same group. And which one? This one, 2 and 3 fell under group 1, and the count was 2. That's why it got filtered out. So after taking the difference, we took the count, and then we just selected only those rows from T3 for where the group falls under this. So I hope you guys understood, but still, if you have any doubts or you need a better explanation, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to resolve your doubts. Thank you.